In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Kling AI to create stunning cinematic videos without needing any advanced editing or animation skills. If you're just getting started, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step, from generating clips to swapping characters, animating still images, and even syncing dialogue. Let's get started. Step 1. Getting started with Kling AI first. Log into your Kling AI account. If you don't have one yet, there's a sign-up link in the description and you'll get free credits to try it out. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the Video Generator tool. Select your preferred model. For this walkthrough, we'll be using Kling 1.6 since it unlocks some of the advanced features we'll explore. On the left side, you'll find folders for your saved videos, assets, and favorites. If this is your first time, these areas will be blank until you begin generating content. Step 2. Using multi-element editing. The multi-element feature allows you to change, add, or remove characters or objects in a video. There are 3 core tools: swap, add, and delete. Swap. Choose a video, select the character you want to replace, upload the new image, adjust the prompt, and generate. Add. Choose your base video, upload the image of the new character or object, and write a prompt that explains how it should appear in the scene. Delete. Choose the video, select the character you want to remove, specify that in the prompt, and generate. These tools are only available in the Kling 1.6 model and give you significant control over your video's visuals. Step 3. Mastering text-to-video prompts. The text-to-video feature is incredibly powerful, but only if you write strong cinematic prompts. Most people get poor results because they type short, vague instructions. Instead, use this 5-part cinematic structure. Subject. Who's in the scene? Include age, gender, clothing, and art style. Action. What are they doing? Focus on movement and emotion. Environment. Where is the scene happening? Be specific about time, place, weather, and background. Lighting and mood. Describe the lighting and emotional tone of the scene. Camera style. Add direction like wide shot, close-up, or area view. Example. A young girl and her father, rendered in Pixar-style 3D, walk hand in hand through a sunlit field filled with wildflowers. The camera tracks their silhouettes against the glowing sky, capturing their smiles and the warm atmosphere of a summer evening. Use this formula to consistently get better, more cinematic results. Step 4. Using DeepSeek and presets to help generate better prompts. Use the built-in DeepSeek tool. Just type what you want to create or upload a reference image, and it will refine your idea into a detailed cinematic prompt. You can also use presets to apply specific camera styles, lighting setups, or motion templates to your scene. These tools can speed up your workflow and elevate the quality of your final results. Step 5. Advanced settings for cleaner output. Before you generate your final video, check the advanced settings. Use negative prompts to avoid unwanted results. Add words like blurry, glitchy, disfigured, or pixelated. Always enable professional mode for higher quality lighting and texture. It uses more credits but delivers a noticeable upgrade. Adjust the creativity slider. A value of 0.5 gives you a balance between accurate and artistic. Push left for safer, more literal results. Push right for more creative interpretation. Choose your video length between 5 and 10 seconds, depending on the complexity of your scene. Step 6. Animating an image with image to video. If you already have a reference image and want to animate it, use the Frames tab. Upload your photo and describe the animation in your prompt. Example. A young man spins his girlfriend in slow motion as they laugh in a vibrant street filled with lanterns and floral buildings. Kling will bring the image to life by adding motion, lighting, and cinematic effects. You can also create start and end frames. This allows you to animate a scene that begins and ends with two specific images for a more narrative flow. Step 7. Combining elements from multiple images. Kling's Elements feature lets you merge subjects and backgrounds from different images. Upload 2 characters and 1 background. Then write a prompt that explains how they interact in the new scene. Example: a 3D couple dressed in bright sweaters and jeans walk together down a quiet street lined with hanging lanterns and floral buildings during golden hour. This feature works like a virtual green screen, combining images in a realistic way. Step 8. Lip sync and voice integration. To make your characters talk, use Kling's built-in lip sync tool. Upload your chosen video, then either type your dialogue and choose a voice, or upload your own voiceover file. Kling will automatically animate the character's lips to match the audio. It takes just a couple of minutes and gives your scene an extra layer of realism. And that's your complete walkthrough for mastering Kling AI. From swapping characters and animating still images to writing cinematic prompts and adding lip sync, you now have the tools to create professional level content using AI. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Don't forget to grab your free Kling credits using the link in the description. Want to see how I use Kling to make a full AI short film? Watch the next video and I'll show you the full breakdown.